Very good morning, everyone. Greetings from Ratan Bhara University. On behalf of Ratan Bhara University and Department of Life Sciences, I welcome all of you in the webinar on Understanding Gender and Patriarchal Society, where we will be getting the complete understanding about gender equality and how patriarchal society has been affecting us. We know that in India, rape and sexual harassment, they are often seen as a reflection of a society deeply, ridden in patriarchy, with the women being abused and the man inflicted the abuse. This is, a kind of a normal process happening in our society. So debates on this subject have pushed for change that would empower women and put a sensitive system in a place that addresses such crimes and work towards a change in society. Now the question arises, is this enough? Or do we need to change our mindset? Definitely there is a need to change our mindset. There is a need to change our human psychology. So when we talk about the patriarchal society, that doesn't merely mean, that doesn't make women subordinate. Actually it limits the role of a man also. I guess our expert in the area will be agreeing with me. So it actually limits the role of a man also. So when we say the sexual abuse is there, it is not only inflicted on women, but also on men, and often by the men themselves. But that part is very much ignored in the society. So today, when we are talking about this, equality, while there is no doubt women need to be protected from this abusive men, the defined role and the description of a man, that is such we have created, he has to be powerful and dominant. So this we have created this kind of description, for men. They need to be powerful, they need to be dominant. And besides, the expectations is also that his partner, that would be a woman. First the partner would be a woman, and the subordinate individual. So that psychology is also there. So every day we keep on talking about the gender equity and the gender equality, but where is this gender equality? So, if I say, especially with reference to India, it took several years for the society to accept men as a active members in the kitchen. Like the men can cook for their family, and someone who can design clothes for women. Though we are very much aware, top designers, they are mostly, men, even in the Hollywood, Bollywood. And when we see in the hotel industry, the chef, they are, the male chef are there. They have dominated that hotel industry. So how we can get this, specific domain kept for women only? Like women are restricted to kitchen or this specific kind of area. So yes, definitely society has accepted it. Like men can also would love to run a home or spend time with children, and most importantly, even men can cry. So this is a very general notion. Why men can't cry? They can cry. The boys, they can't play with dolls. The girls can't play with trucks. This is a kind of mindset actually we need to change. Everything is changed now, but only few people, they are able to understand this, about the patriarchy system. We know that this defines the male dominating society, but we have crossed that era now. So it is not only about, when I am talking about this thing, it's not only about women to get their rights. It is about men and women, they must be treated as human beings. They must be treated as equal. They must be treated as one, and they must believe in this, we make this sign of each for equal. That is very much important nowadays. So if we consider such kind of things in our life, or would change our mindset, so the men, they should not only take over the the traditionally assumed spaces that women were limited to, but is also about the realization that men would probably move into the different spaces also, and assume a notion of women that is far more equal. So equality lies there. The women can be entrepreneur. They are already, we are having a number of examples. They are successful, entrepreneurs. And the male, as I have given a number of examples, they are top chef in the hotel industry. They are the top designers in the fashion industry, and they are leading the areas where where females were supposed to be there. And the females, they are the CEO of the Pepsi Cola, and number of examples. So they are leading in politics. But still, yes, the space should not be limited only for male to explore the spaces of the females. Even the females must be given the equal chances. And it should not be not be limited to what we see generally and assume that this is this is her domain only and this is his domain only. So we need to get out of that notion. So discussing about all these things, today we are having Professor Gurpinder Kumar from Department of Women Studies, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj, India, for having a live talk and discussion on understanding gender and patriarchal society. But before that, I would like to give brief up about Professor Gurpinder Kumar. Professor Gurpinder Kumar, he is teaching at Center for Women Study, University of Allahabad, UP, India. He is MA, MPhil in Women Studies from Maharaja Gandhi International Hindi University, and he did his postgraduate diploma in Gandhian Thoughts from Gandhi Vichar Parishad, Gopuri, Wardha. He worked as a research associate since 2014 to 2016, and he is having a 2 years experience of junior research fellowship at Magan Sangrahalaya Smiti, Wardha, MS. He jointly handled a number of research projects related with the women empowerment, and a few of the projects I'm going to mention. He handled this project on women's living and working conditions with special reference to laborer women, and he did this research project on farming in liberalization and women with special reference to Gurdaspur district rural agrarian laborer, and one research project on women work and participation, especially Gram Panchayat, with reference of Dhariwal blocks women. He also jointly completed one research project on sustainable development with special reference of laborer women of Maganwadi CSV Dhatpur, honored. So beside holding various positions in the research projects and in the academics related with the women equality, he is invited lecture by many universities and institutes on the gender sensitization, gender equality, women movement in India, women and law, women empowerment, etc. He has organized, many activities at the national and the international level, and has several research publications in well-refereed journals. His thrust area of research are teaching of women studies, gender-related issues, feminism, women and law, introductions to women politics and women, women and literature, caste, class, and gender issues. So today, once again, on behalf of Ratan Bhara University, I welcome Professor Gurpinder Kumar, who has taken out time from his very busy schedule, and he has joined us today from University of Allahabad. Sir, we are really fortunate, you are going to enlighten us about this gender sensitization and about understanding of gender. Do we understand the meaning of it, but how significant role it plays in this society that we need to aware our, especially the young generation, when we talk about the gender equality and the patriarchal society in which we are still living in. So, sir, now I request you to please take the dais. The digital platform is all yours, and enlighten us about this topic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity also. First of all, I thankful to Riyadpara University family, just like a respected honorable Ravinder Singh and Vice President Academics, Ms. Raita Saila Varaji, and Professor D.S. Dayalji, Registrar, and absolutely Professor Simarjit Kaur Shergilji, Science Department, and Chairperson also of General Champion Committee. Let's today and first of all the student watching through online mode. So let's begin today's topic, that is understanding gender and patriarchal society. Today's topic is understanding gender and patriarchal society. Uh, First of all, we should understand the meaning of gender. There is a prominent scholar, Kamala Basin. If you are watching the slides, she said that if biology alone determined our roles, every woman in the world should be cooking, washing, and sewing. But this is clearly not the case because most professional cooks, launders, and tailors are men. So this means that if our जो जेंडर है, अगर हिंदी में बताऊं मैं थोड़ा सा, जो जेंडर है वो ये बताने की कोशिश करता है इस इम्पैक्ट दैट कि अगर मैंने साड़ी पहना है तो ये जो निर्धारण करना है इसको ये जो निर्धारित करता है, डिटरमाइन करता है कि हाउ आई ड्रेस्ड, हाउ आई वॉक टॉक, दिस डिटर्मिनेशन जो है इसको अगर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में हम देखें, वी वॉच मीन्स सेक्स. देयर आर टू टर्मिनोलॉजी, सेक्स एंड जेंडर. Sex refer to whether a person is considered a male or female. These are physical characteristics are ascribed at birth and are usually fixed throughout life. It identifies biological differences between men and women. And second thing, in gender is a socially and culturally based, and the culturally learned differences between male and female refer to social constructs, roles, and characteristics assigned to men and women on the basis of prevailing culture, and it is
Professor
how
Gurpinder,
society thinks.
प्रोफेसर गुरपिंदर,
जी मैम.
1 मिनट. आपका जो स्लाइड शो है वो दैट इज नॉट रनिंग, वो रन नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, यस. सो
ओके,
अभी ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आया जेंडर वाला. सो आप इसको ऐसे ही आगे 1 बाय
ओके,
ठीक है. अगर आपने इसको स्लाइड शो पे भी करना है तो उसको फिर आगे 1 बाय 1 यू मैनुअली, वो आपकी साइड से ही होगा.
now you are seeing all the slides, ma'am.
यस यस सर. F5 कर लो, फुल स्क्रीन जाएगा. जस्ट प्रेस F5.
It is
ठीक है सर, यू कैन गो अहेड लाइक दिस. वी कैन सी इट. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
okay. So we are talking about gender. So gender is socially and culturally based. There is a definition from Anne Oakley, scholar. She says that gender is a culturally construct, and it defines men and women into masculine and feminine. So if we go through next slide, it's mean patriarchy. We should also know from this word. The patriarchy mean that a woman and man both hold power and control over both sexes. This said by Kamala Basin, the well scholar. She had written so many books on these issues: gender, sex, and patriarchy. So patriarchy means that the sexual control over women by men also. He said by Frederick Engels. So it's mean that patriarchy means not the control of men also, but women also on both sexes. This is a mean of patriarchy, and patriarchy means another mean on the basis of sexual control, because all the sexual control also taken over by the men over to women. Riding if I explain in a broader way, कि how the next baby will come, male or female, if female come, and how next baby. So these power are taken or run by the men over to women also. अगर हम इसको और भी broader way में समझे, if we know, the patriarchy is a form of mental, social, spiritual, economic, and political organization of society proceeded by a gradual institutionalization of sex-based political relation created, maintained, and reinforced by the different institutions likely closely together to achieve consequences of the lesser value of women and their role. These institutions interconnect only not with the other, but strengthen the structure of domination of men over women. So these are the things again repeating कि means that कि जो control है women पर वो men का होगा. All the activities, mental, social, spiritual, economic, and political also. So in this slide, you can see the patriarchal institution in society. First of all, family, religious institution, media, economic institution, educational institution system, political system, khap panchayat, and legal institution. They all are interconnected with the patriarchal society or patriarchal structure. So it's all the theories are जो है इट्स रन on the basis of stereotypes, or you can say gender role also. There are a feminine quality and masculine quality. Feminine quality means that these qualities are created by society, not from the academic institution. These are run by or controlled by the patriarchal structure, and they have given so many stereotypes or gender roles. You can see कि feminine quality must have not aggression. Second, dependent, submissive, talkative, soft, caring, affections, kind. And masculine quality have a aggressiveness, independent, dominant, not talkative, brave, tough, courageous, fight, or cruel. So if you are having this quality, so if you are having this kind of quality, you are a masculine, and if you have a female quality, you are a feminine. So these roles are defined by our society, moreover our family. So gender roles are attitudes and activities that a culture like to is success. Just as you can see the slides. Parents treat male and female children differently from birth. You can see when a baby take a birth, male or female, how the strategy or how the environment happen. I have example when you can. It things you have also you have all realized you are watching. You have also treated कि means कि जब अगर बच्चा पैदा होता है तो वो निर्धारण नहीं करता है, अगर हिंदी में बताऊं मैं, कि अगर बच्चा पैदा हुआ है तो वो बच्चे का पैदा होना ये निर्धारित करता है कि वो वारिस है जब वो आपत्ति है जब विपत्ति है, ऐसा समझा जाता है. और यही निर्धारण करना कि मेल का अगर मेल बच्चा पैदा हुआ तो कितने खुशियों का माहौल होता है, हाउ दे आर इंजॉय, दे सेलिब्रेट विद मिठाइज एंड ऑल. And if female baby take a birth in the state like Punjab, Haryana or Rajasthan, you can absolutely know very well the sex ratio, female foeticide is happening there, and a lot of causes are there. So boys and girls play different kinds of game and learn different styles. You can see next slide also. These are the things how cultural and society decide uh, the role of gender or gender roles, and how culture only decide how female and male think and behave. You can see the picture there, and we were talking before the session if male dress in a female cloth or female cloth, male cloth dresses, and the men saying that, darling, what's happened to us? So we have don't imagine that कि अगर हम जो बाइनरीज है, जो एक तरह का जो दायरा है, अगर हम उसको तोड़ेंगे, देखेंगे नहीं, तो we can't think or talk in this manner. So our culture जो है, our culture and society is also responsible for everything to be gendered. So family जो है वो भी socialization करता है, she is also socialized, because if we having a female or male children in our family, and how our household, just like parents and relatives, other, how they behave to both kids, male or female, कि बाहर नहीं जाना है. If there is a good, if you realize or see, कि parents commonly describe their infant daughter as a pretty, soft and delicate, and infant son are strong and active and alert. And how schools, yet another agent of gender socialization, and teacher at all treat their female and male student differently. We can see in our school days how teacher described don't talk with. Now it's quite good situations are good in the university and all, but although the conditions is that कि जो आज भी जो स्टीरियोटाइपिकल स्टेट्स हैं, जहाँ ऐसे सिटीज हैं, यहाँ पर आज भी मेल और फीमेल को डिफरेंटली ट्रीट किया जाता है, कि साथ बैठने दिया जाता, साथ खेलने की, बातचीत करने की नहीं दिया जाता है. So gender inequality in a school has a major future impact. That's we can see in all the slides कि जो stereotypes की बात हम कर रहे हैं कि men are often stereotyped as a doctor, executive and businessman, and women are often stereotyped as a teacher, nurse and housewife. Or you can see if pass to equality की बात अगर हम करें कि equal participation ensure girls are involved and participate in the same amount of the activities as boys, and change behavior, treat boys and girls equally, and government has a role making teaching and learning methods free of gender bias. You can see in this picture कि a female or a woman has many hands. She is doing brooming, ironing, taking care of kids, cooking, books, telephone, email, etc., etc. So these are symbol of Ashtadurga, you can say, that time traditional and now modern Durga, you can see. So these are the gender roles. A male having these kind of symbols, gaming, office work, flights, you can aeroplane, and a female having a badminton, scissor, doll, nursing care, and all the things, because these are not created by uh, uh, women studies or a feminism, but it's created by our society or a patriarchal society. You can see our peer companion as a children reach school age, and the children begin to play different games based on their gender. Just say we can see boys tend to play sports like football, cricket, and one girls tend to play smaller and cooperative games such as hopscotch, jumping rope, and you can, ma'am has also quoted that they are playing with the barbells, baby dolls, and etc. etc. You can see in this picture, the boys are fighting with each other, and the girl is playing with a toy or just like a doll, you can say. This picture also you can see boys are playing outdoor games, football, and there is no female, and female is there. That backside you can say she is watching only. So in this slide you can say see that a female child is playing with the Barbies. So there is a mass media also who create this kind of gender rules. Gender socialization also occur through mass media. You will see the in that picture also how TV shows just like Chota Bheem, Little Singham, and all that TV serials, or even through cinema also, how they dominate the female. And in Chota Bheem and Little Singham, the character of these cartoons are male child, or they are leading, and the females are in subordination or helping mode. Same things happen in TV serials, how Diya Aur Bati, Je Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and all the TV serials you can say they are creating the gender roles. Ki how ideal woman must be Agyakari, obedient, not talkative, not a vamp. So you can see कि vamp woman and ideal woman. So these kind of pictures they are making made by the mass media, even through TV serials or uh, just like a Color, GTV, Star Plus, etc., etc. And there are various new channel for men also, and our advertisement also gendered. You can see there is a one ad on Move, "Oo se aha tak." So in this ad, you can see a woman is doing their household work from morning to evening, and when she in the night time after having dinner, she has a pain on backside, and her husband opening the drawer and taking move and just rubbing on the waist and backside, and she is ready for the next morning. So these are the things you can see the more there are the more examples or advertisement कि जिंदगी की राह में प्यार की बात, music series of royal stars, and also there is no need of women, but men should be like men and women should be like a woman. So these kind of stereotypes are shown by the media. Kids toy also, you can see Barbie. There is a more example I have in my mind about the Kinder Joy. How colors are differentiate male or female roles. If I say I like pink color, male should like a pink color or other other color. So अगर हम इस चीज की बात करें कि जो कलर्स हैं हाउ दे डिफरेंशिएट, यू कैन सी इन दिस कि फॉर अ बॉयज और फॉर अ गर्ल, Kinder Joy, you can see the because I have this memories with my cousin, smaller cousin. तो मैं जब उसके लिए जो किंडर जॉय लाया, मुझे आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दिस किंडर जॉय कि ये मेल और फीमेल बॉयज भी होते हैं. नाउ आई नोइंग. मैं उसके लिए किंडर जॉय लेके गया और मैंने पिंक वाला ले लिया उसके लिए. और जब मैं उसके लिए लेके आया, उसने मुझे कहा कि भैया आप मेरे लिए क्या लेके आए हो. मैंने कहा किंडर जॉय. तो उसने कहा भैया ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये लड़कियों वाला है, ये पिंक है, उसमें से बारबी निकलेगी. मुझे बारबी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे हेलीकॉप्टर चाहिए, मुझे स्पाइडरमैन चाहिए, तो वो ब्लू वाले में निकलता है. सो दिस मीन थिंग दैट कि हाउ आवर ईटिंग थिंग्स एंड our playing games methods, toys also, how they create a gender roles in our society. But we should also break this kind of stereotypes. Why should a boy play with a Barbie, or a female should play with a uh, guns and other male-dominated games also. Now, the
Professor
word
Bhupinder,
equality.
you can change your slide also, or you are at the first slide. Gender पे ही है अभी.
Okay,
With it, yes, you keep on changing your slides also, sir.
okay. Now it's
Yes.
now it's coming now. Okay.
Yes, sir. When you
So,
change
uh,
your topic, you change your slide also, sir.
okay,
Control is in your hand, sir.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
I am talking about why not this, the term gender equality. So, when we talk about gender equality, so this picture taken from the Diya Aur Bati serial. So there is a lady, Sandhya and Suraj. So if you have watched this serial, you may know better कि एक फीमेल के लिए आईपीएस बनना और एक मेल के लिए शेफ बनना, ये कभी समाज द्वारा और सोसाइटी नेवर कैन इमेजिन, बट दिस सीरियल ब्रेक्स स्टीरियोटाइप्स, एंड व्हाई नॉट शुड दिस बी. So how the obstacle are done by his mother-in-law and her father-in-law, how make its way soft. So in another slides we can see why a male child will play with a Barbie, or a female child take his own job. So there is a beautiful picture. You can see a man with carrying a baby and ironing clothes. So this is a gender evolution, not or a revolution. You can see, or there is a stereotypes breaking thinkings. You can see a woman riding a bullet and a man in the kitchen. So it is the things we have never imagined these kind of things. If before showing this picture, have you भी आपने कभी सोचा होगा कि क्या कभी रास्ते में बुलेट चल रहा है और उस पे कभी बुलेट जो राइड करने वाला है वुमन हो, और आप घर के बाहर से गुजर रहे हो और किचन से स्मेल बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आए, और आपने कभी इमेजिन किया हो कि वो खाना जो चाय है वो मेल बना रहा होगा. So these kind of things are breaking the stereotype, and the word gender equality, we can now see the process of being fair to women and men. And gender equality required equal enjoyment by women and men of socially valued goods, opportunity, resources, and rewards. It does not mean men and women being the same. So अगर हम जेंडर इक्वलिटी की बात करें, जो फेमिनिज्म में बात की जाती है कि वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जेंडर डिटर्मिनेशन. कि हम ये बात नहीं कर रहे कि कि जो सारे वो काम पुरुष करें जो स्त्रियां कर रही हैं, जब स्त्रियां वो काम करें जो पुरुष कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट बी हैपन, बिकॉज जो सोशल जो रिप्रोडक्शन की बात है, दीज आर नॉट इन हैंड्स ऑफ मैन. सो द वर्क्स, जो बात है कि जो जेंडर इक्वलिटी की बात है कि वी शुड गिव इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड इक्वलिटी एंड लिबर्टी टू फेयरनेस. Because the word gender equality means that we should have a equal participation in political process and other rituals. You can see कि women are 70.6 less than her male counterparts. So you can see in the picture कि if a woman are working in a corporate house or other house, how that obstacles are done by the male dominant societies or their male counterparts. So now we talk about the issue related to a woman. First of all, we can see the female foeticide. You can see भ्रूण हत्या या चाइल्ड भ्रूण हत्या की बात कर लीजिए कि the issues, eve teasing, acid attack. I will not give the numbers because we are where from we are belong the state Punjab, Haryana, and you can see there is a new data just came before 6 months before, or I think 1 year later. Ki there are infant mortality rates are increased in state like Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat. Is a 70 number declined. So these are the numbers shown that we are doing violence not on a physical giving a slap or acid attack. We are doing also violence through a infant female foeticide. So we are क्योंकि हम बच्चियों को गर्भ में ही मार दे रहे हैं या पैदा होने के बाद मार दे रहे हैं. These are also a type of violence. So now you can see in the slides eve teasing and acid attacks. We will talk about now sexual harassment and rape. You can see in picture. It's happened rarely, not rarely, but it's happened a lot, around I think can say 60 to 70 or maybe 100% also. Because every woman, not in India, all around the world, have कि उसके साथ कभी ना कभी ये घटना या सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट का केस कभी ना कभी must be happen. Just like and also I will describe what is sexual harassment. Standing too close and trying to touch or feel, it's also in a term definition in the Vishakha Guidelines Sexual Harassment Workplace 2013 कि you can see sexy मुझे लोग बोले, singing embarrassing film song, it's also come in the sexual harassment act. And you can see touching, hugging, and some kind of कि तू मेरी तो बेटी जैसी हो. These are क्या बोलते हैं उसको कि ये जो सारी तरह की ड्राइंग्स हैं, इस तरह का जो घटनाक्रम है, ये सब उसके अंदर में आता है. There are some myths and facts. तो myth क्या है? Sexual harassment is a rare. So sexual harassment is a rampant, extremely widespread. It touches the lives of 40 to 60% of working women and similarly proportion of female students in a college and university. ये fact है. Now the other slides we can see myth is women enjoy attention from the other sex, and when they can't handle, they complain of sexual harassment. These are myths, and all the time we see these lines from all the time कि अगर उसको कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ तो उसने सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट का आपको केस लगा दिया. लेकिन डिस्प्ले जो फैक्ट है वो ये है कि डिस्प्ले ऑफ पावर ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ परपेट्रेटर इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट. ये भी फैक्ट है. एंड सर्वे जो है 86% सर्वे बताता है कि सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट आर ट्रू, एंड इन फैक्ट मोस्ट केसेस ऑफ सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट गो अनरिपोर्टेड. तो ये भी फैक्ट है कि बहुत सारी सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट जो है वो अनरिपोर्टेड रह जाती हैं. जो कोई कहते हैं ना कि चुप्पी, कि हम चुप्पी साध लेते हैं कि कोई चुप रहेंगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. दिस इज अ फैक्ट. ये
Yes, I totally agree with you, Professor Grupinder, in this. Yes, you have very rightly said over here कि when anybody reports such kind of small things, so
Yes,
they usually say or give this excuse, अच्छा इसका हुआ नहीं है या promotion नहीं हुआ. So that is the reason कि she is just putting allegations. So somehow there comes a point in women life when she feels like it's okay to step back. Rather than they take it in some different way. Yes, you have said it very rightly. This happens a lot, and this is one of the main reason women they don't complain oftenly.
This is a fact, ma'am. This is a fact because उसका चुप रहना ही उसके लिए सबसे बड़ी वीक पॉइंट है. मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा नेक्स्ट टाइम में कि if you ignore sexual harassment, it will be stopped. ये myth है. You are rightly saying this slide, and next we can see कि generally ignoring sexual harassment will not stop it. Ignoring such behavior may be taken as a sign, encouragement, or tacit consent. Ignoring such
Yes.
conduct may even be perceived as a complicity and condoling and encouragement of that. कि अगर हम चुप रहेंगे, if we will चुप keep quiet, it will be you are encouraging. I also belong to the state of Punjab and I also seen that कि कॉलेज टाइम में मैंने भी देखा कि बहुत सारे लड़के जो है वो स्टॉक करते हैं लड़कियों का कॉलेज टाइम में, और उसका चुप रहना कि ये चुप रहो, कोई बात नहीं है. बट अगर तुम बोलोगे नहीं तो यू विल बी, जो आपकी महिला की कैटेगरी है आप उससे बाहर आ जाओगे. आप लड़के से झगड़ा कर रहे हो. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ न्यूज आल्सो कि लड़की ने शोहदे को पीटा. वाई शोहदा, ये लड़का ना, तो वाई लड़की लड़के को नहीं पीट सकती बट लड़की शोहदे को पीट सकती है. बिकॉज आवर न्यूज रिपोर्टिंग आल्सो टोटली जेंडर, बिकॉज वो भी वो दिखाना नहीं चाहता. सो इफ यू आर इग्नोरिंग सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट इट विल स्टॉप. दिस इज अ मिथ. फैक्ट इज दैट कि अगर आप इग्नोर करते हैं तो यू आर उसको एनकरेज कर रहे हैं, उसके एक्ट को आप या उसकी कंसेंट को आप बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं. दिस इज अ फैक्ट. एंड देयर इज अनदर मिथ दैट कि मैनी वुमेन्स मेक अप एंड रिपोर्ट स्टोरी ऑफ सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट टू गेट बैक देयर एम्प्लॉयर्स और अदर हैव अरेंज्ड देम, एंगर्ड देम. तो ये भी वही चीज है कि जो रिसर्च कहता है कि रिसर्च फॉर दैट कि लेस देन 1% ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स आर फॉल्स but rarely file complaints even when they are justified in doing so. तो ये भी मिथ फैलाया जाता है सोसाइटी द्वारा कि जो स्टोरीज है वो स्टोरी बनाई जाती हैं. आई थिंक इन 2018-19 में एक स्टोरी आया था मी टू का मूवमेंट. तराना बर्क और यहाँ बहुत सारे कि ये तो अभी 10 साल पुराना केस बता रहे हैं. But thing is that कि they have taken it advantage because they have must be given some but after that when they feel that कि उनके साथ हुआ है तो they have complained. And another myth done by society कि only those women object who have no sense of humor. ये I will also defined in another slides कि ओनली दोज वुमेन ऑब्जेक्ट होती हैं कि जिनके पास सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर नहीं होता, कि जो हंसती नहीं है, जहाँ वो
they are very arrogant or you know that kind of personalities. They are proudy है. So yes, they are not receptive. So different notions they are being used. Like if women says I am self-sufficient, I can tackle my problems, and if they raise a voice against such kind of sexual harassment, it doesn't mean leads to rape. That means any kind of cheap comments, like if they call you bitch, even they call you dumb blonde. If they simply say, okay, if a husband says my wife is a nag, that is a kind of harassment.
That's the kind of
harassment. So if a woman comes up against such kind of things, so they say कि वो arrogant है, she can't take it, she's very difficult. She's very difficult to handle. So yes, sir, this is there.
Absolutely right, ma'am. You are right. So sexual harassment is the offensive, frightening, and insulting to women. It has an adverse effect on their mental and physical health. You must know that these kind of sexual harassment affect women's mental and physical health. Physical health is okay, but its impact her mental mind also is a very rare. So there is a sexual harassment law amended by 2 decades of sexual harassment. There is a section of IPC 209, a sense act and song punished by imprisonment of 3 months and a fine of both, and section 354 IPC, assault or criminal force to a woman with the intent to outrage her modesty, a punishment 2 years and fine also. Section 509 IPC, giving a word, gesture, or act intent to insult the modesty of women, 1 year imprisonment and fine or both. There are also a lot of laws. You can see this is my thing which I want to discuss. Maybe you all have watched the movie Pink, Tapsi Pannu. There are safety manuals given in this movie by Amitabh Bachchan. Uh, कि डोंट स्टे आउट लेट. हमारे यहाँ घड़ी की सुई करेक्टर डिसाइड करती है, और here the needle of the clock decide the character of an individual. When
Yes.
you do something like that, you are bound to get harassed. You have watched in this movie कि how they are tackled, कि अगर उसने बैड थॉट जो कर दिया और वो हंसी, तो इसका मतलब है कि वो फंसी. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स कि अगर वो दारू पी रही है तो दारू पीना उसका करेक्टर डिसाइड करता है. अगर वो अपने घर को छोड़ करके उसी शहर में अलग किराए पे रह रही है तो ये भी उसका करेक्टर डिसाइड करता है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. और इफ यू आर लेट, अगर लड़का लेट आ रहा है घर पर तो वो उसका करेक्टर डिसाइड नहीं कर रहा, वो कहाँ इतना लेट क्यों आया वो. ये क्वेश्चन कभी भी लड़के से नहीं किया जाता. दिस इज द फैक्ट और दिस इज द रियलिटी. बिकॉज आवर पेट्रियार्क सोसाइटी में ऐसा, इफ यू हैव अ थिंग कि लड़के तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, लड़के तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, तो लड़के ऐसे होते हैं, लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं. दीज आर द स्टीरियोटाइप गिवन बाय सोसाइटी. फैमिली ने दिया है ये, नेचर ने नहीं दिया, या बायोलॉजी ने ऐसा नहीं कहा कि बायोलॉजी में, जहाँ प्रकृति ने ऐसा नहीं कहा कि लड़की पैदा होते ही साड़ी पहनेगी, जहाँ वो किचन में जाएगी, ऐसा नहीं है. दीज आर गिवन द स्टीरियोटाइप जेंडर रोल गिवन बाय द सोसाइटी. एंड सेकंड थिंग, डोंट ड्रिंक विद बॉयज. This highlights your loose moral and brand you as being available. If you are drinking with the boys, it's highlight you are a loose character, or you are available for such kind of things. And don't spend time with boys or go out with them. I mean religious place or exception. कि आप उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड मत करिए और ना ही कहीं बाहर जाइए. ये आप उसको बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं. ये सोसाइटी कह रहा है. These are talk about by society. These are the gender roles given by society. And fourth thing, don't be a independent or a live alone in city. This happened with Tapsi Pannu in that movie. These independent women confuse our boy today. ये आजकल के हमारे लड़कों को confuse करती हैं ऐसी लड़कियां जो अकेली रहती हैं घर के बाहर, जो वर्किंग वुमेन है. इवन दिल्ली जैसी सिटीज में, मेट्रो सिटीज में तो ऐसा ही होता है. इस हैपन इस मीन दैट ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल्स आर कैरेक्टरलेस और लूज कैरेक्टर्स. डोंट स्माइल while talking to boys. It may be joke or fart, etc., etc. Of course, this can be seen as a hint you are bringing it upon yourself. So these kind of 5 safety manuals are given to girls in that movie. But reality is what? Reality we can see now. Reality is, and fact is that, the fact is that knowingly or unknowingly, these so-called rules have been embedded into each of our mind setup. And no matter which strata of society you may belong to, the notion largely remain the same. When a girl stays out late at night, drinks, goes with boys, lives alone, independently, or smiles while talking to boy, she looked down upon and branded as being available. She is said to have loose morals and loose character, or is accused of confusing the boy by giving him misleading or hints. And that is absolutely sad and ridiculous. If a boy does the same, he is considered to be a independent and a mature man. In fact, men who live with their parents after a certain age are looked down upon, and this skewed notion of gender roles need to change. The idea of consent need to be understood by so many people in our society. The fact is that no matter who she may be, your girlfriend, your friend, your wife, or a sex worker, when a woman does not say yes, it means no, and nothing except loud, a clear yes, and can be taken as a hint of consent. So these are the there are a lot of boards and commissions, and conclusion and suggestion you can see here. Ki gender discrimination should be eliminated in the family. Stereotype should be broken. No more blue or pink. Parents should encourage and educate their daughters. Parents should teach their children to respect the opposite gender. Gender sensitization should be introduced as a compulsory subject to each in every school. Co-education should be encouraged. Teachers should encourage their students to take subjects considered to be associated with opposite gender. Stereotype career field should be attract diverse workforce. Wages in career considered to be female dominated should be increased, could attract male workforce. So media should be a gender sensitive and should not encourage stereotypes. So crime against women should be considered as a zero tolerance. So all in these slides we can aware कि household work should be respected, women should have a participation in decision making, faculty should organize just like a program about gender in college universities, and in every sphere, life of gender equality should be prioritized, which means utilizing gender difference without disempowering our side. I hope that I have done whatever I have done is be understand to be understanding gender and patriarchal society. And now I will end the session for PPT, and I welcome the question, ma'am.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you so very much for such a very, informative session.
Yes,
It was like you have set some kind of, the examples that we can easily relate with. It was not
yes,
like very hi-fi examples. Like you have also
no, no,
mentioned about the Me Too. Like कि 10
yes,
साल के बाद अगर कोई कर रहा है कि yes, it happened 10 years back, तो there is again a question mark. Okay. So when a male
yes,
does the same thing, so there doesn't come that doesn't come with any kind of question mark. So again वही
yes,
mindset की बात आ जाती है. So Me Too हमारे previous year काफी ज्यादा it was in news. And बहुत सारे
yes,
लोग थे जिनको एक they got that platform where they were upfront, and they were like they were sharing their issues and what happened
yes,
with them in the past. Though
yes,
what I feel like कि इतना सारा इस लेवल पे उसको हाईलाइट भी किया गया, मोस्टली सेलिब्रिटीज जो थे दे वर द पार्ट ऑफ दैट मूवमेंट, बट उसके बाद भी आई डोंट फील कि कोई कुछ प्रोडक्टिव उसका आउटकम निकला. एंड सडनली क्या होता है कि वो सबसाइड हो जाता है. सो दिस इज द रीजन, अगर विद स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू इंडिया इफ आई से कि कोई इशू है बहुत ज्यादा हम हाईलाइट करते हैं एंड वी फील लाइक ओके वी विल गेट द जस्टिस, एंड फिर वो विद पैसेज ऑफ टाइम क्या होता है वो सबसाइड हो जाता है. अगेन बीइंग फीमेल वी आर हैविंग सर्टन limitations, we are having reservations, एंड वी कांट बी दैट मच अप फ्रंट एवरी टाइम. वो क्या होता है कि फिर ये बात हो जाती है कि हर बार इसी के साथ क्यों हो रहा है, वाई शी इज कमिंग अप विद द सेम इश्यूज और द सेम प्रॉब्लम्स. सो ये अगेन वो मेंटालिटी जहाँ हमारा माइंडसेट है जो डिफाइन करता है कि एक जो आपने बोला कि फीमेल का करेक्टर है कि अगर वो 12 बजे तक घर के बाहर है, इफ शी इज वर्किंग इन द ऑफिस स्टिल देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. सो उस पे क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाता है. अगर मेल आ रहा है 12 बजे घर पे तो एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है कि सी हाउ हार्ड वर्किंग ही इज, वो इतनी लेट तक काम करके आए हैं. सो यस डेफिनेटली जब हम इक्वालिटी की बात करते हैं, छोटी छोटी सी चीजें हैं रूटीन में हमारा जो एक लाइफस्टाइल है, दो विद रेफरेंस टू इंडिया इफ आई से हम कहते हैं कि माइंडसेट चेंज हुआ
हाँ,
है and we have achieved the heights in business, in the politics, in the IT sector. Women are everywhere, but yes, when it comes to equality, it comes to even to if I say payment of salary, वहां पे भी आप देखोगे कि एक एक इक्वालिटी वी डोंट सी. ठीक है, शी इज अ विमन तो शी नीड्स टू बी पेड दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट, whether she is working double or triple than men. So this is a kind of, the mentality, the mindset we actually need to change. We keep on organizing, workshops, seminars, and we keep awaiting our, younger generation, especially young ones, our students, about this gender equality. But when they see the people like us or the others as an example, as a female we are going through, or somebody else is going through, the kind of movements they are so popular in India. But what is the end of those movement, like without any productive results, without any productive outcome? So they feel like, okay, ये तो seminars तक ही रह जाता है. We are aware of this kind of thing. So yes, we need to start from, बोलते हैं ना कि charity begins at home. सो जैसे आपने बोला कि जो फीमेल्स हैं, जो विमन है, उनको अप फ्रंट आना पड़ेगा. एंड प्रोज एंड कॉन्स आर ऑलवेज देयर, एज यू सेड कि कुछ लोग हैं, फीमेल्स हैं, द कुक अप द स्टोरीज. एंड लाइक वाइज सेम गोज विद मेल्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दे कुक अप द स्टोरीज, तो ये दिस इज एवरीवेयर. बट कहीं ना कहीं पे वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड बीइंग अ फीमेल and to taking care of your family and to hold other responsibilities, like they are excelling in the business, they are excelling in the academics, they are excelling in the education, but simultaneously when they are at their home, they are taking care of their family also. So what I feel like कि वो जो होता है ना कि हम अपना लक्ष्मी माता, जो शेरा वाली माता के देखते कि 4 हाथ है, 4 arms है ना. So they are in the field also, and at the same time they are taking the responsibility of family. So when we look at the males, they are very much focused. If I'm working means I'm working. If I'm at home means I'm at home. So at a time they can't be multitasking. So that's why, sir, जोक ले लो इसको, लेकिन साइंटिफिकली व्हाट वी से, अगर मैं आई एम फ्रॉम अ साइंस बैकग्राउंड, सो वी से कि जो फीमेल है उनका माइंड बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. ठीक है, दे आर सिंपली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो दिस इज नॉट अ जॉक, दिस इज एक्चुअल सिनेरियो. अगर आप साइंटिफिकली भी देखते हो तो जो फीमेल्स हैं, जो फीमेल्स के जो न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी एक्टिव. अगर आप उसको स्कैन करते हो या देखते हो, उनके एक्टिव हैं, कुछ एरिया हैं, दे आर मोर एक्टिव देन द मेल्स, and this is scientifically proven. So that's why the females, they are, I would say, they are the multitasking. But yes, we need to come out of that shell. उस शेल में से हमें निकलना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू रेज आवर वॉइस अगेंस्ट वायलेंस, वेन चाहे वो हमारे ऊपर वापस ही आए, बट एनी हाउ वी नीड टू टेक अप दिस स्टैंड. सो सर, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको एलैबोरेट किया, एंड प्रेजेंटेशन वाज बहुत अच्छी किया. सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल, जैसे आपने बोला कि जैसे एसिड अटैक है, एसिड अटैक का भी देख लो. हाँ, अगर फीमेल, आप पिंक मूवी का आपने जिक्र किया सर, उसमें देयर वाज वेरी पॉपुलर डायलॉग ऑफ दैट मूवी, नो मीन्स नो, राइट. सो सेम हैपेंड. अगर वो एसिड अटैक की, हम उनकी लक्ष्मी की बात करते हैं, तो उसमें भी क्या हुआ, सेम ही सर उसमें चीज थी कि अगर उसने मना किया तो नहीं, है ना. तो वो जो मेंटालिटी है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि गर्ल्स हाँ करे तो भी प्रॉब्लम, ना करे तो भी प्रॉब्लम, है ना. सो वो जो एक माइंड सेट है, फीमेल्स का जो है माइंड सेट चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ दे वियर शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस तो गर्ल्स में प्रॉब्लम है. द वे यू लुक एट अस, दैट मैटर्स मोर ना. आप हमें कैसे देख रहे हो,
कैसे देखते हैं, सही.
हाँ. So वो that is in your mind, that is in your eyes, that doesn't lie in the dress. So ये चीजें हैं. अगर हम बात करते हैं कि एक ड्रेस ही अगर कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करती है, तो मुस्लिम्स तो दे वियर बुर्का, तो उनका भी इतना ज्यादा वहां पे सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट के, रेप्स के केसेस बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं. सो एक जो सोसाइटी का सर माइंडसेट है इंडिया में स्पेशली, वो हमें चेंज करने की जरूरत है. Sir, we are having a few questions with us now. I would like to ask Alice madam. She's having a queries of the students. तो sir, कुछ questions हैं. She will be asking you related with this patriarchal society, because वो जो एक male dominating society है, जो male culture है, जो हम लेके चलते हैं कि they are the only ones who are taking care of each and everything. No doubt. I believe like yes, we need to live in harmony. जैसे मैंने बोला कि फेयरनेस मस्ट बी देयर, ईच फॉर इक्वल होना चाहिए. इट डजंट मीन कि फीमेल आगे जा रही है, मेल आगे जा रहा है. वी आर एट द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, बट एक्सेप्टेंस जो है दैट मस्ट बी देयर. there are many people who are not ready to accept like females can be better entrepreneur. वो एक mindset
Yes.
बना है कि नहीं, but we have accepted कि males they are better chef than us. We accept it.
Yes.
And we really relish it when males cook for us. We relish it because we have accepted it. But again, males they are not ready to accept the females. They are the the better entrepreneurs. They are better in politics. They feel like no, they need to take advice from the male. अभी वो सीता रमन जब वो बजट फाइनेंशियल बजट देती हैं, डेफिनेटली एक पूरा एक टीम वर्क होता है जो उसके पीछे एक माइंड होता है जो उसके पीछे काम कर रहा होता है. बट स्टिल आई हैव सीन अ नंबर ऑफ पीपल टेलिंग कि इनको ना मनमोहन सर से, डॉक्टर मनमोहन से इनको थोड़ा एडवाइस लेना चाहिए था व्हाइल प्रेजेंटिंग दिस बजट एंड ऑल. वो एक मेंटालिटी है कि एक फीमेल है, उसने बनाया है तो ये सही नहीं होगा. दो वी नो कि थिंक टैंक जो है दैट इज डिफरेंट. वो एक थिंक टैंक है कि पूरा प्रोसेसिंग के थ्रू आता है, बट वही अगर एबीसीडी किसी मेल ने बनाया होगा दैट इज एक्सेप्टेड एज सच. सो यस सर, वी आर हैविंग अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर व्यूअर्स. सो एलिस मैम, हैंड ओवर टू यू.
Very good morning, sir. Very good morning, sir. So I have a first question. What is the difference between gender equity, gender equality, and woman empowerment?
Sir, I hope it's clear to you. She wants to understand कि जो students बोल रहे हैं कि हम gender equity बोलते हैं, then there is a gender equality, and then there is a women empowerment. So is there any difference between equity and equality? Because most commonly as a synonym हम इस word को use करते हैं, but when I see at the meaning of this word, that is entirely different. So sir, please elaborate.
See, ma'am, one thing is there. Ki, gender equities means that fairness in giving equality like ki men and women. It's just a fairness, and
Yes.
I will give example after that. And gender equality means that when we are giving equal rights and equal opportunity, this is called gender equality. And woman empowerment is a practical version. कि आफ्टर जेंडर इक्विटी एंड जेंडर इक्वालिटी वुमेन स्टैंड्स इन which kind of scenarios. Just for example, I say कि एलिस मैम एंड सिमर मैम को दोनों को डाइस जाना चाहिए. इट्स माय सिनेरियो इज अ जेंडर इक्विटी. बट व्हेन आई गिव यू राइट कि मैम आप दोनों आएंगे, या आई हैव गिवन अथॉरिटी लेटर, this is called gender equality. And when
Okay.
I am seeing online live, it means that is empowerment, because I am 1:1 and 2. So this means that is empowerment. So this kind in our constitution also is mentioned there. Article 14 is says that ki we are all equal on the basis of all. And Article 15 clause 1 say that the states shall not discrimination against the basis of sex, race, caste, creed, religion, etc., etc. And after that there is a clause 3 in 15 ki state has a special power to make a provision or amend in the favor of women and child. So
Yes.
after giving equal rights, after giving no discrimination, you are making a discrimination on the basis of a woman and child.
Yes.
This is my interpretation.
Yes.
So you are giving equity and equality. After that, you are making a discrimination.
Yes.
So empowerment means is that ki if women stand in which spheres, economically, politically, culturally, and all the spheres, women stand what? Numbers matter, na? If I say Indira Nooyi is a PepsiCo chairperson, and Kiran Mazumdar is there, Ekta Kapoor is there, and a lot of women are there. Vice Chancellor also there, women. But how much the ratios contribute to all the total population of the women? ये कितने numbers हैं? It's to begin with the numbers, ना? So these kind gender equities means the fairness we say, and gender equality, what rights we have given to women, and woman empowerment is the practical version of the both. We can say that.
Okay, so that means equity means fairness to men and women, to both.
Yes, both. Yes, fairness.
Like
We
this,
can say कि
because
जैसे for example, sorry, in our society कि लड़के लड़की को समान होना चाहिए, लड़का और लड़की में कोई भेदभाव नहीं होता. But when a female child take a birth in a family, they say okay we are a fairness, समान होना चाहिए. लेकिन another baby taken birth as a female, then it's come कि ये fair है, equality है कि inequality है. Because this और second बच्चा भी मेल हो जाता तो अच्छा होता. तो this come
exactly.
out कि fairness है, वहाँ पर equity है या equality है, या inequality है या empowerment है. These are the practical version, I say.
यस यस सर, सिंस बिकॉज अगर हम अपनी हिस्ट्री को भी देखते हैं, सो हिस्टोरिकल डेवलपमेंट में डेफिनेटली कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज अभी बनाई है, जिसमें फीमेल्स जो थी अर्लियर दे वर बार्ड फ्रॉम टेकिंग सर्टन काइंड ऑफ स्टेप्स और इनटू एक्सेल इन सर्टन एरियाज. सो वो जो इक्विटी है दैट इज देयर नाउ. अभी वो थोड़ी स्ट्रैटेजीज उन्होंने फ्लेक्सिबल की है, मॉडिफाई की है. एंड व्हाट आई फील, जो आपका मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई आपसे कि जो इक्विटी है दैट एक्चुअली लीड्स टू इक्वालिटी. If equity is there, then only equality is there. And to achieve that equality, अगर मैं बोलूँ तो women empowerment is required. If I would like to correlate all these factors.
This is a step-by-step version. First gender equity, then equality. Gender equality leads to equality, and equality leads to empowerment.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. हाँ जी, Alice, next question.
Sir, our next question is, how does feminism affect society? Sir, how does feminism affect our society?
I didn't hear.
Sir, how feminism is affecting our society? जो फेमिनिज्म है वो सोसाइटी को कैसे इफेक्ट कर रहा है, विद स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू इंडिया. सर, वी वुड लाइक टू आस्क दिस, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स भी जो यहाँ पे व्यूअर्स है दे आर फ्रॉम इंडिया, स्पेशली हमारे इन एंड अराउंड के ही हैं. तो कैसे जो फेमिनिज्म है, बिकॉज फेमिनिज्म को एक डिफरेंट तरीके से देखा जा रहा है नाउ डेज, है ना, तो वो हमारी सोसाइटी को कैसे इफेक्ट कर रहा है. बिकॉज अगर हम अदर कंट्रीज की डेवलप्ड नेशन की बात करते हैं तो इंटायरली वहां पे फेमिनिज्म जो है वो बोलते हैं कि विद द फेमिनिज्म दे हैव गॉट दैट राइट ऑफ एजुकेशन, प्रॉपर राइट ऑफ एजुकेशन उनको मिल गया है ना, एंड उनका जो इवन दे कैन प्रोसीड देयर ओन डिवोर्स प्रोसीडिंग्स. सो बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. एंड फेमिनिज्म के साथ जैसे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस है वो बहुत ज्यादा कम हुआ है ना. तो दिस इज व्हाट इंडिया का जो सिनेरियो है वो अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं पे मुझे लगता है कि चेंज हुआ है, बट अगर हम ओवरऑल देखते हैं तो वी फील लाइक कि नहीं, अभी स्टेटस सेम ही है. सो सर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ डज दिस फेमिनिज्म हैज इफेक्ट आवर सोसाइटी?
See, first of all, I would like to say when feminism we are talk about breaking the बात कर रहे हैं इस, तो feminist does not mean the opportunities for men, women, talking about the feminist and ये उसकी बात कर, जहाँ तक लिबरल, पोस्ट मॉडर्निस्ट फेमिनिस्ट, दलित फेमिनिस्ट, इस्लामिक फेमिनिस्ट. If I talk, but feminism, या फेमिनिज्म की देर स्त्री पुरुष by women. Women uh,
Sir, there is, I think, a poor network conductivity or connectivity on your side, sir.
yes,
Kindly check your internet connection. थोड़ा आपका voice जो है that is cracking, sir.
it is, network is okay, ma'am, here.
Now it's fine, sir.
कि जो
Your
fact
voice is
positive
breaking.
connectivity. I'm audible.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
It's okay.
No, sir. Actually, sir, you are stuck at one place. I guess कि नहीं network connection का है थोड़ा सा या तो आप उसको okay, it's fine.
Now
Sir, still network issue is there. Sir, can you hear me?
the sound also.
I think I need to conclude that. Sir, I think you are not able to resume your network connectivity. Yes. Now you are audible, sir. I would like to ask this only one question, last question, sir. Then we can conclude our session. Sir, why is it when women call themselves feminist? This is most of the happens when they call themselves they are feminist. They are thought of as a man haters or anti-marriage. Why so?
No, on the side and true हमारे समाज जैसे कि but talk about equal rights. We are not meant gender, but it is a social
Issues.
issues. Given her or in list are taking the family between the husband नारीवादी हैं जो फेमिनिस्ट हैं दे आर अपॉर्चुनिटी अबाउट working hours to job they are उनको भी पढ़ घूमने का अगर उनको भी वो जब वो वो बात
Sir, you are not audible. Your voice is cracking actually. So I feel like we need to conclude the session now. You have already beautifully explained each and every aspect of understanding gender and the role of the patriarchal society and and women empowerment. You have covered each and every part. So I think it's time to conclude now. And I feel very, very much fortunate to propose the vote of thanks after this very informative session. So what Professor Gurpinder conveyed to us, if we were to realize and appreciate the transcending possibilities of differing role individuality, we could be far more caring culture. So this is what he wanted to convey to us. And we would say not just count the number of the sexual assaults against women, but also count and take voices every time a man or a boy is abused home. This is much important. The sexual harassment is not only against the women. This is for the men also. So we need to raise our voices against that also, because these are the the kind of the children or the boys, they grow into a kind of system that permits such acts and then limits each individual into a prototype of sorts that really carries very different kind of impact. We have already a boy should not cry, that is the privilege of a woman, right? So this is what we say.
yes
So this is the privilege of a woman, and a man can't be seen as to have been abused. This is a sign of weakness. So वो रो नहीं सकते हैं, वो उनको अगर कोई अब्यूज करता है तो कहते हैं कि वो मैस्कुलिन नहीं है, उनको वीक जो है एक पिक्चर उनका प्रोजेक्ट किया जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली केस ऑफ द विमेन कि वायलेंस होता है, हैरेसमेंट होता है. दिस इज हैपनिंग इन द मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस विद मैन ऑल्सो, विद यंग बॉयज ऑल्सो. Yes, everyone is heterosexual. Those who are not, they are not normal. So what is the role of LGBT there? So when we talk about the gender equality, जब गवर्नमेंट ने ही एक इंक्लूड कर दिया सेक्शन मेल फीमेल ट्रांसजेंडर इज देयर, सो उनको जब तो वहां पे फिर वो जो हिट्रोसेक्सुअलिटी की बात होती है कि जो हिट्रोसेक्सुअल नहीं है, तो देन देयर कम्स विद द क्वेश्चन मार्क. Also a very important aspect what I feel in the gender equality. So I need, sir, what I have concluded from your lecture जो आपने अभी presentation दिया है, it is not about the male dominating society or the female should be given chances. What we need is a gender neutral policy, so that sees each human being as one, and by viewing each other in a different roles, specifically the males, we could seriously be challenging this patriarchy, leading to a far more significant change in society. Only then we can bring a change in society. If we change our point of view, if we try to see at the things in a different way. So it's not only about females should be given chances, it is about the equity, it is about the equality, and to achieve that we need to focus on the women empowerment. Just sitting back at home and dreaming about equality and equity and to being highly paid and to be given chances in the competitions and in the different strong positions. So just dreaming about those things doesn't bring any kind of equality in this system. Yes, we have to come up front, we have to share our views, we have to fight for females, we have to at the same time abuse is there against males also. So we have to fight for males also, we have to fight for boys. So only then, if we will be fair towards all these things, then only we would be able to bring the equality in this system. So this is what I have concluded from your lecture, sir. So thank you so very much for sharing your thoughts on this agenda. So on behalf of Ratan Bhara University, I am highly grateful to Professor Gurpinder Kumar, who enlightened the gender socialization, gender inequality, especially you have mentioned the reference of the schools and the role of the culture, society, companions, peers, and also talked about the sexual harassment and how the laws fail to cover this sexual violence, because we are not taking the proper, we are not coming up front, that is very normal, and that's why we are not able to use the take the legal actions, or we can't able to use these laws over this sexual violence. So you also emphasized especially on the need of the women empowerment, and at the same time I'm highly grateful to our honorable chancellor Sardar Gurvinder Singh Bahara, our vice president Miss Sahila Bara. She was very much keen to have this the workshop on the gender equality and patriarchal society. She is very active in organizing these activities under our corporate social responsibilities. So the credit goes to her for this workshop. I'm highly grateful to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Pravinder Singh, for his constant support and encouragement for carrying out such kind of activities. And I extend my vote of thanks to Professor B.S. Satyal, our registrar. He is actually very active in organizing a series of webinars under different activities club of the universities and the UGC. And I'm very grateful to my faculty members, especially to Miss Alice Sikkan, for their kind cooperation and for the smooth functioning of this webinar. And of course, we can't forget our dear students and the viewers who are out there listening to us very patiently, because I know network issues are there. Digital platform है, कहीं ना कहीं पे कोई ना कोई flow आ जाता है. But yes, I wish they must have learned something today to create a new world that would lead us to equality in each field. So only then the benefit of such kind of organizing talks is there, if they actually execute these kind of things in their routine life. So students, male, females, they are listening to us out there. So the kind of things you have discussed today, they need to execute these things into their routine life. इसके लिए कोई बहुत बड़ा उनको प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं चाहिए. This is just to spread the awareness, And so, sir, once again, on behalf of Ratan Bhara University, I am grateful to you, to each and everyone for joining us today on this digital platform. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, and keep believing in each for equal. Thank you very much, sir, and stay in touch. God bless you. God bless all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.